Hello! If you're looking for a beautiful updo hairstyle that's easy to recreate and perfect for weddings or an elegant event, then this tutorial's for you. Now, this is part of my Special Occasion Hairstyle series, so be sure to check out the other looks linked in the comments. Quick prep. I curled my hair with a 1-inch barrel to create soft, romantic curls, and when I'm styling hair for a special occasion, I like to add Luxy Hair's Halo Hair Extensions for that extra fullness, but this updo works beautifully on its own. Start by tracing from the back of your part down to the nape of your neck, creating 2 side sections, and bring them forward over your shoulders for now. Gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail and secure it with an elastic, but on the last loop, twist your elastic at the top and pull the ponytail partially through to create a small bun, and then gently fan out the sides so it's more undone. Now, slide your index finger under your elastic just below the bun and pull your loose ponytail ends out to the left and loosely twist them towards your head and bring them across the top of your bun and tuck them through the elastic from underneath. Take both front sections and tie them together at the back of your head as if you're starting to tie a shoelace. Pull them, then pin them into place just above your bun. Now, depending on the length of your ends, either pin them under each side of the bun or cross them underneath and secure them on both sides, pulling out any loose pieces. And for a more formal look, just gently pull up the hair at the crown for volume. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.